My Journey to UCAT Success Part 18. Interpreting information is an important part of decision making. For these questions, you could get a graph or a short text that you have to read, and then some statements for which you have to determine whether they follow or not based on the graph or text you are given. If you get a text, then use the keyword approach that you use in VR to determine the answer, and just like in VR, you shouldn't use external knowledge. If you get a graph that you have to interpret, make sure to look at the graph properly. Read the units on the graph, as it could be in other units than the ones you're used to. For example, thousands. So if on the graph it states 5, then it means 5,000. Make sure to also read the graph description to ensure that you understand what the graph is about. If you get two graphs, make sure to look at each of them separately and compare them. If they both have percentages, they might not be comparable, as percentages are relative values. So if their sample sizes are different, then they wouldn't be the same. For example, 50% of 10 and 50% of 100 is obviously not the same, so watch out for this. If you run out of time, then I would recommend you put yes if something is clearly true, but put no if you are unsure, as the criteria for no are less strict.